Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to change your Google Calendar color using your iPhone or iPad. So I do have another video on how to do this on your computer, but this is how you do it on the mobile application using iPad or iPhone. All right, so here I am on my mobile app. In order to change the color of your Google Calendar, navigate to the three lines on the top left corner of your app. You'll then notice you have all of your calendars listed, and you're going to go down to the settings gear icon and click on settings. Now, depending on which calendar I would like to change the color of, I'd like to change the calendar of this shared calendar that was just shared with me, the Being Classy demo. So I'm going to click on that, and then I can change the color. So I'm going to make this orange, and there you have it. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our videos. I'll catch you in the next video.